Hey guys, welcome back to Blogging Good Food, where we bring you the best chicken salad recipes that are not only delicious but also healthy and easy to make. If you are looking for mouth-watering salad ideas, you have come to the right place. Let's kick things off with a classic chicken salad recipe. This chicken salad is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. It's the epitome of easy and delicious. If you are a pasta lover, you will adore a chicken pasta salad. It's a delightful twist on the traditional chicken salad, packed with flavor and texture. Spice up your salad game with our buffalo chicken salad. This zesty creation is perfect for those who crave a little heat in their meals. Summer calls for refreshing salads, and our summer chicken salad is a winner. It's light, crisp, and bursting with seasonal flavors. Looking for a healthy meal? A chicken salad sandwich recipe is the answer. It's a satisfying option for lunch or dinner. Eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing taste. Our healthy chicken salad recipe is a testament to that. It's a guilt-free indulgence. For those looking for more variety, we have got you covered with our chicken and salad recipes. These dishes combine the goodness of chicken with a medley of fresh ingredients. Presentation matters. In this section, we will share some creative salad decoration ideas to elevate your chicken salad game. Short on time, discover our quick chicken salad recipes that can be prepared in a flash without compromising on flavor. Explore the world of chicken salad variation with us. From Asian-inspired flavors to Mediterranean twists, we have got it all. Fire up the grill. Our grilled chicken salad recipe adds a smoky twist to the traditional salad, perfect for BBQ enthusiasts. Nourish your body with our nutritious chicken salad, packed with vitamins and minerals. It's a great choice for health-conscious foodies. There you have it, folks. These 12 delectable chicken salad recipes and creative ideas are a testament to the fact that eating well can be easy and enjoyable. Don't forget to check out the detailed article on these recipes and decorating tips on our website Blogging Good Food at blogginggoodfood.com. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!